Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ToFit.Linda. This is Linda Emmanuel and I am on a journey to losing 120 pounds. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome, and thank you to all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you all a few pictures of what I ate to be able to lose almost 36 pounds in 2 months. So I said few because I lost some of my files, so I'll be putting out the ones I still have left. Yeah, why I decided to do this video is because a lot of people were messaging me asking me what I ate and all that, so I decided to make a video on it to show you all what not all I ate, but few, because I lost some of the files. So I'll be showing you all just a rough of what I ate to be able to lose 36 pounds in 2 months. So if you want to know what I ate, please stay tuned to the end of this video. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please go follow me on my Facebook page ToFit.Linda, and on my Instagram account Linda_King111, and also go follow me on my podcast ToFit.Linda. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. So without more further delay, let's get started into the video. Yeah, so I start my day by taking a cup or 2 cups of my detox drink, and that is lemon and ginger drink. We all know the health benefits of lemon and ginger. You can google that. Lemon is it promotes hydration, is a source of vitamin C, and it aids in weight loss. So as ginger, it helps in menstrual cramps and also contributes towards weight loss. So if you want to know the health benefits of lemon and ginger, you can google that. And if you also want to know how I make my own detox drink, please comment down below. I will be sure to make a video on that. that is it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and share to your friends and family. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on the red button, subscribe right now. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please also go follow me on my Facebook page ToFit.Linda, and on my Instagram account Linda_King111. I'll be putting the links in the description box below. So please go follow me, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.